Good afternoon, folks. This is Dennis Taylor, CEO, founder of Black Ops Show Services. I want to take this time to basically go over the importance of being efficient in our dismantling process. Basically, we're an installation dismantle company when it comes to trade shows and conventions. We set them up, tear them down. So basically, installation is the setup. Dismantle is to tear down, install, dismantle. So basically why it is so important to have a very smooth and a very efficient dismantle is very simple. You want the client's booth to go back the same way it came to you. You want there to be no nicks, no damage, no problems. So, because most times, or a lot of times I should say, that booth space that you just got through building in whatever city that you built it in is going to be sent to another city. Sometimes it may go to several cities before it goes back to the actual warehouse or to the display house that it was built in. So it's very important that my crew that's taking part in the installation and the dismantle are very, very, very careful when they dismantle it to get it back in the crates. It should back out in the shape it came in, or if not better. And I'll explain that in a second. So basically, when a show is over, say on average show takes anywhere from a day, 3-4 days to set up. We usually have to take that show down with a day and a half. Okay, and we do it very quickly and efficiently. So the key for my team is to, when that freight comes in, that show is over. They'll announce it. This show is over. We'll see you next year at whatever city it's going to be in. It might be the same one, it might be a different one. It's our job to then take that booth apart piece by piece. When the freight will come in, when the forklift operators drop those crates off, we open those crates and we begin to put that booth back in the crates they came in. Sometimes the crates come back to us damaged. That happens a lot. Sometimes we have to stop and repair the crates before we can even load them. That's one of the snafus that happens sometimes. But overall, it is very important and essential that my guys and girls, because I have a large contingent of women on my team, that they put that booth back in those crates the way they came in, or as close as possible. Like I said, because those crates are going to go to another booth, to another show, another city, sometime right behind each other, and you want to make sure that it's done correctly. You don't want any damage, because that's going to cause the problems for the client and for the next time the booth goes up. So just want to go over that part of it with you in regards to how important the dismantle is. In a future video, I will discuss how important things are done right on the installation or install of a booth at a trade show. But once we get that booth back into the crates, we seal it. Then I go through the process. One of my leads or soups will go over, and I'll discuss this in another video. I'll discuss the bill of lading process of what we call a BOL, so that it goes to where it's supposed to go on time, the right way. So stay tuned for the next video. In the meantime, like, share, subscribe. Black Ops Show Services. We're here to serve. It's what we do. We stay ready. Thank you.